Looking to turn any gathering into an instant party? The beFree Sound 18-inch Bluetooth speaker might just be your new best friend. This thing is big, bold, and ready to bring the noise and the lights. First impressions. It's definitely built for portability, despite its size. The hard-mounted handles and extendable rolling handle make it surprisingly easy to move around, even with its substantial frame. Think of it as your own personal concert on wheels. The light show is definitely a head-turner. The sound-reactive LEDs add a whole new dimension to your music, pumping up the energy and creating a vibrant atmosphere. And if you're going for a more chill vibe, no problem, you can turn the lights off. Connectivity is a breeze. Bluetooth, USB, SD card, it's got you covered. Plus, the FM radio is a nice touch for those who still enjoy tuning into their favorite stations. It's compatible with smartphones, tablets, laptops, MP3 players, and even musical instruments. But what about the sound? The 18-inch woofer delivers a powerful and clear audio experience. It's got enough oomph to fill a large room or even an outdoor space. Whether you're blasting your favorite tunes or using it for public speaking, this speaker has the power to get your voice heard. Speaking of public speaking, the included wireless microphone is a great addition. And with the microphone and guitar input jacks, you can even turn your party into a karaoke night or jam session. The microphone priority function is a nice touch, ensuring your voice cuts through the music when you need it to. The 7.2Ah rechargeable battery offers decent playtime, so you can keep the party going for hours. And the included remote control lets you manage the music from a distance. Overall, the beFree Sound 18-inch party speaker is a fun and versatile option for anyone who wants to bring the party wherever they go. It's loud, it's bright, and it's packed with features. If you're looking for a portable sound system that can deliver both powerful audio and a dazzling light show, this speaker is definitely worth checking out. It's a solid choice for parties, events, or even just rocking out in your backyard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.